Question 23. The diagram shows a circle with a circumference of 1 being rolled around an equilateral triangle with sides of length 1. How many complete turns does the circle make as it rolls once around the triangle without slipping? Now, the obvious answer to this is 3, because as the whole distance around that circle is 1 and that distance is 1 as well. But actually, because this circle is moving all the way around the triangle, then what happens is there's an extra turn in there. Let me try and explain. So if this is your circle and it's got a line on it, a bit like the hand on a clock. If we started here on this side and the hand was facing at right angles to this line, when it's rotated once, it'll be facing at right angles here. But if we want as it comes around this corner, it doesn't start there. It actually starts again at right angles here. So in that distance that it's turned around, that angle in there is actually going to be a third of 360, which is 120 degrees. So it'll have moved around that 120 degrees. The same happens here. As this turns around, this goes around 120. And the same happens up here, that this angle is 120. So you actually have the 3 sides equals 3 rotations. And then the 3 corners equals 1 extra rotation. So therefore you have 4 rotations altogether, and therefore the answer is C.